Hi, I'm Mark Moritz with Human Touch, and I want to introduce you to a new chair that just came out. This is the Laevo ZG chair with lift assist by Relax the Back. This chair artfully blends aesthetics and wellness into a seating and lift experience. You can choose your favorite seating position, enjoy a relaxing vibration massage, or just feel the comfort and warmth of heat. The Laevo chair comes equipped with lift assist that can help those with mobility issues to make it easier for them to get in and out of the chair. The chair can lift you and land you back down to a sitting position with simple one-touch controls. You also have in-arm control buttons that can perform the same functions when you are reclined back in the chair and maybe can't reach your remote. In addition, the Laevo Lift Assist helps those with injuries when they're getting in and out to lessen that pain. In the Laevo chair, you can go to zero gravity, which is the physician's recommended healthiest way to sit. This position is when your feet are above your heart, and it helps improve circulation by forcing blood back to the heart and rejuvenating the spine and relieving pain. You can also go beyond zero gravity to give you an extended range of motion, and if you need to, you can lock this feature. The Laevo chair is equipped with heat and vibration massage. You can enjoy these independently in either the back, seat, or leg positions, or all three together, or not at all. The Laevo chair has an easy access magnetic remote that you can actually put on either side, left or the right, and from this remote you have independent movement for the back, the legs, and the lift assist. The Laevo comes equipped with air-powered lumbar support for the lower back and air-powered neck support in the headrest area. It features comfortable pressure-relieving memory foam in the pillow, back, and seat portions of the chair. One additional feature the chair has: when you lift the chair, a beacon light will come on to illuminate the space in front of the chair. This chair features a one-touch button that will take you to zero gravity, and you can also set your favorite position for easy recall. Plus, the Laevo ZG chair has adjustable leveling feet to accommodate any surface in your home.